Dreaming of setting off on a solo adventure but feeling a bit unsure? You're in luck. Solo travel is one of the most rewarding ways to explore the world, and with the right preparation, it can be life-changing. Today, we're sharing essential tips and tricks for traveling by yourself. Whether you're a seasoned solo traveler or considering your first trip alone, these insights will help you navigate the challenges and maximize the joys of solo travel. Solo travel gives the freedom to create a trip that reflects personal dreams and passions. But with great freedom comes the need for smart planning. Start by visualizing the dream trip. What does it look like? Is it about relaxation on a peaceful beach? An adventurous trek through nature? Or perhaps exploring a city's food scene? Getting a clear picture of the ideal experience will help in tailoring the trip to match personal preferences. Once the vision is set, research is key. While guidebooks can provide general information, gather first-hand knowledge from people who have actually visited the destination. Friends, family, or online communities often share valuable insights and hidden gems that guidebooks miss. For example, asking someone who's recently traveled to the destination can reveal secret spots, local favorites, and practical tips to avoid common pitfalls. Social media platforms like Facebook groups, Reddit threads, or travel forums can also provide excellent recommendations. It's important to actively seek out advice from those who have been there. The information shared by other travelers can help uncover unique experiences and insights into what to expect. While planning is essential, remember to leave space for flexibility. Some of the best travel moments come from unplanned detours or spontaneous invitations. Embrace those surprises and allow for the freedom to change course when something exciting comes up. One of the greatest joys of solo travel is the opportunity to meet new people and form connections. It can seem intimidating at first, especially for introverts, but solo travel is full of opportunities to engage with others. The key is to start small, stay in hostels, join local tours, or attend community events where meeting others is natural. Hostels often have communal spaces where fellow travelers gather to share experiences, while group tours create structured opportunities to meet people with similar interests. When interacting with locals or fellow travelers, it's helpful to ask open-ended questions that can lead to meaningful conversations and provide insights into the area that may not be found in a guidebook. Another great way to build connections is by participating in local events. Whether it's a cultural festival, a cooking class, or a live music performance, these events offer a chance to experience the culture firsthand while meeting others who share similar interests. And if feeling lost or uncertain, don't hesitate to ask for help. Whether it's directions, a dining recommendation, or advice about a local activity, asking for assistance opens the door to conversation and allows for positive connections. Most locals are more than happy to lend a hand, and their willingness to help often leads to enriching interactions. Solo travel is about diving deep into the heart of a destination. Immerse yourself in the culture to truly understand what makes a place unique. Start by exploring from different perspectives. Instead of sticking to tourist buses or taxis, walk through neighborhoods, use public transportation, or rent a bike. Each mode of transport offers a unique way to experience a city. Public transportation, for example, gives insight into the daily routines of locals, while walking or biking might uncover hidden streets and off-the-beaten-path attractions. Local cuisine is one of the best ways to connect with the culture. Instead of relying on popular tourist spots, seek out the places where locals eat. Visit street food stalls, family-run restaurants, and markets to taste the true flavors of the region. Each dish tells a story about the place's history and traditions, and trying new foods can be one of the most rewarding parts of traveling. Shopping in local markets can also provide an authentic glimpse into a culture. These markets often sell handmade crafts, fresh produce, or regional specialties that can't be found in typical tourist shops. In addition, participating in local events is one of the most immersive experiences a solo traveler can have. Whether it's a regional festival, an outdoor concert, or a traditional ceremony, these events are often the best way to witness local customs and celebrations. Solo travel often means adapting to unfamiliar places, but this flexibility is part of the charm. Upon arrival, take some time to settle in and get accustomed to the new environment. Instead of jumping straight into sightseeing, spend the first day exploring at a slower pace. walk around the neighborhood, observe local customs, and learn the layout of the area. This helps with adjusting to the new place and creates a more relaxed approach to exploration. One useful tool in navigating any destination is a map, digital or paper. Knowing the layout of the area, important landmarks, and how different parts of the city or town connect will help build confidence. Whether using a navigation app on a phone or carrying a printed map, understanding the area can make it easier to get around without feeling lost. For those with specific interests or hobbies, it's worthwhile to look for hubs related to those passions. Many cities offer niche events or venues, such as art galleries, music performances, or cooking classes that cater to specific interests. Engaging in these activities can lead to deeper connections with others and a richer travel experience. And of course, adaptability is key. Not every moment will go as planned, and that's okay. Solo travel is all about learning to roll with the punches and making the most of any situation. When plans change or things don't go as expected, take a deep breath and go with the flow. The journey itself is as valuable as the destination. The best part of solo travel is the freedom to experience each moment fully. Evenings are often when solo travelers feel most uncertain, but they can also be the most memorable. Don't be afraid to embrace the evening, explore the nightlife, attend a theater performance, or simply enjoy a quiet meal at a local cafe. Some of the most magical moments can happen during solo evening outings. If feelings of loneliness or uncertainty creep in, remember that it's normal. Solo travel can sometimes feel isolating, especially during down moments. When this happens, take a moment to pause, gather your thoughts, or reflect on the day's experiences. It's also okay to reach out to friends or family via phone or social media. Every solo traveler has these moments. It's part of the process of learning and growing. Above all, embrace the unexpected. The best experiences often come from those unplanned moments, like discovering a hidden viewpoint, receiving an impromptu invitation from a local, or stumbling upon a fascinating historical site. Solo travel is full of surprises, and those moments often become the most cherished memories. So, there you have it, our top tips for solo travel. From planning with purpose and immersing yourself in local culture to making meaningful connections and navigating new places, these tips are all about helping you get the most out of your journey. Solo travel is a personal experience. It's not about following a strict plan. It's about figuring out what works for you and embracing whatever comes your way. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Feel free to share your own solo travel experiences in the comments. We'd love to hear about your adventures.